place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
Is it really possible to hack Instagram or Facebook account? Have you ever tried to hack and did not succeed? Watch this video till the end to find out why it did not work out. In this planet, there is no system or network that cannot be hacked. Just as Instagram and Facebook, any site or app can be hacked, and on most occasions, it takes just a slight mistake for the victim's account to be hacked unknowingly. We have numerous number of sites, of which most of them are not secure and not trusted. Let us first understand what a good trusted website is. We shall use Facebook as an example to explain this in detail. When you are signing into Facebook, your email or password is not saved in the way you have written or typed, but rather in hash function. So hash function is capable of generating the new value according to the mathematical algorithm. For a good and secure website will never save your password the way you have typed or the way you have written. Now this means that once you are using a good and secure website, your raw password or email is not saved once you open an account with them. Immediately you click on the sign up button, the password goes through the hash program, and once you log into your account, the email and password will be hashed and sent to the server, and if the combination is found to be true, definitely you will be logged in. Now that you have known the login process in secure website, let me mention some of the techniques and how hackers use them to steal password and information. Phishing method. In this method, you do not need the victim's phone or computer. So the attacker sends an email to the victim, and the victim clicks on that email and it goes to the phishing website. So what the attacker does is to collect the victim's credentials and uses the victim's credentials to access a website. Let me try to break this down. Let me go to Facebook and to source code. I will just click here, and on this clicking, if we click, you can see that this is the code for the Facebook login. This is the code. And if we go to text editor, let me use the subline. So if we paste this here and we save, then we try to run this from our browser or the Chrome, you find that this information is exactly the same as the original one. So what the hacker does is, after getting the real information from this, as you can see, they are all the same. The hacker goes and buys a domain which is related to Facebook, either facebook.net. Let me just search this Facebook, and finds the one which is not yet taken. So the hacker buys that domain and uses it. So in the process, once this link is sent to you, you will see it exactly as the original Facebook page. And once you fill in your information is taken to the phishing website, and that is the website that the hacker will use to get your credentials, and in the process your account is hacked. Now let us talk about the spy apps. Spy app is designed for parental control, where the parent installs an app into the child's phone to monitor. Now, in case someone accesses your phone and installs such app, that person is in position of accessing your information. Lastly, in our video, let us talk about the keylogger. This is a software that is installed within the victim's phone or computer. This software requires physical access to someone's phone or computer, so that it is installed. And once this software is installed, it runs in the background and it records everything that you type on the keyboard. So definitely the victim's credentials will be captured in the process. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe, comment, share, and turn on the notification bell so that you are alerted whenever we post or upload new video.